Byron C. Williams is a candidate for judge, Orleans Criminal District Court, Division G. The election will be held Tuesday, November 4th. Please come out and vote. Now watch what community leaders have to say about Byron C. Williams.
Well, first of all, when he graduated Tulane Law School, he was assigned really a position of honor in the federal system as a federal judge's law clerk. And that was with the criminal side in the magistrate division. He then went from there to be a United States attorney. He did a good job with that. So what happens after that? He did a few years there, and then he had an opportunity to go to the state side and do a lot of the work as executive counsel to the district attorney's office and do a lot of screening to decide which cases were good and not so good and make those decisions. Now, shortly after that, he went to the judicial side and was able to investigate and make decisions on whether judges had violated their ethical rules or not. So he knows a lot about what it is to be a good judge and what it is to be a bad judge. So he knows that differential and he knows that line quite well. After that, he was appointed by the Louisiana Supreme Court to be a judge ad hoc in that same court that he seats today. So when you start looking at how he's had the legal qualifications, he's there and he's ready. When you start looking at what he had done before, when that's what I go back to, when he was working with the kids, and as he still does today, some 10, 15 years after my child grew up and I went forward, he stayed right there, and he's still coaching, I think, the Biddy football over at the Nord program. So when you talk about how someone stays committed to the community and understands clearly what it means to be a judge for all people, he's going to have the judicial temperament, the ability to discern those who need a second chance, and the ability to put away those who are a threat to everyone in the community. And he can make those decisions, I think, as well or better than